One day, in early 2019, when buying a coffee on my morning commute, just as I'd done thousands of times before, I thought, how much climate action could I fund with one coffee's worth of money a week? That single question has led to something incredible.
Hi, I'm Elliot, CEO of Ecologi. And in those 28 months since that coffee shop revelation to now, Ecologi are considered to be the market leaders in consumer-funded climate action. Our community of over 20,000 members now have funded the planting of over 20 million trees and also funded carbon reduction projects to the tune of 650,000 tonnes of carbon dioxide.
We believe that if you put those solutions in the hands of ordinary people and businesses, then together we can reverse decades of carbon pollution without the need for advances in technology. Our mission is to connect those concerned individuals with impactful climate projects to make the task of overcoming climate change viable, exciting, and full of hope.
Our impact as a service subscription model allows users to become climate positive by funding carbon reduction projects to offset their footprint, as well as growing their own virtual forests. Over 1,500 Shopify stores have installed our tree planting app, and businesses globally are demonstrating their green credentials by purchasing trees and offsets in our growing marketplace.
This time last year, our community had funded the planting of 3.5 million trees. Today, that figure's risen by over 450% and stands at 20 million, with the funding for a further 30 million already pledged by our existing businesses.
We're now planting more trees than are found in Central Park every single day. And it's not just trees. We've also supported more than 50 certified carbon reduction projects, with project activities ranging from solar and wind energy to landfill gas capture to preventing the deforestation of old-growth rainforests. To give you an idea of the scale of this impact, when these trees go to maturity, the carbon they absorb will be equivalent to around 2% of the UK's annual footprint.
Behind Ecologi is a team of experienced founders, entrepreneurs, and visionaries. But above all, we're a group of passionate people focused on improving the future of our planet. For our consumer and marketplace business, 85% of our revenue goes directly towards funding climate impact projects. And guided by our expert climate committee, we make sure that every single contribution invested by our community goes as far as it can towards achieving the greatest climate impact possible. We transparently report all evidence and certificates we receive for our impact purchases.
Ecologi is unique because they've built a product that truly connects the customer to the projects. The sheer growth in customers' revenue and the quality of the business customers that were coming in essentially told us that everything we felt when we met the team and played with the product was true. And the growth that we've seen since then has proven that to an even greater extent.
We're also backed by General Catalyst and Entree Capital, who are investment house giants and backers of some of the world's leading brands, including Deliveroo, AirBnb, and Stripe.
With their support, we're building a community of ambassadors, active investors, also working with local landowners, such as Thomas Field that we're visiting today. With the funds raised in this round, it'll enable us to grow our team both here in the UK and internationally, as well as increasing our brand presence in the EU and US, where market capital is strongest.
Finally, we're planning to launch exciting new products, including Ecologi Zero, our real-time carbon footprinting software powered by open banking.
Ecologi Zero operates on thousands of data touchpoints to build a real-time and intelligent carbon footprint. And this will be a huge moment for Ecologi because we're going to be able to support businesses achieving net zero carbon.
There are over 1 billion people in the world who can easily afford over $10 a month. But we calculate that we only need a quarter of them to chip in to achieve our mission of halving the world's carbon emissions.
Ecologi is about collective action. We bring hope and we celebrate our milestones together. And now we set our sights on scaling up to the Netflixes and Spotifys of this world. And if we achieve that scale, we're going to be able to reduce half of the world's emissions by 2040. So join us, invest in this exciting future, Can we count you in?